I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump. This critical repair demands careful attention to safety. First, ensure your fuel tank contains less than 1/4 of its capacity to minimize fuel spills. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Next, depressurize the fuel system by removing the fuel pump relay and running the engine until it stalls. Finally, gather all your tools and wear appropriate safety gear, including eye protection and gloves. Now let's access the fuel pump. The fuel pump is typically located inside the fuel tank, beneath the rear seat. Carefully remove the rear seat bottom cushion to expose the access panel. This panel is usually secured by 3 bolts. Remove them to reveal the fuel pump assembly. Before proceeding, thoroughly clean any dirt or debris from around the pump to prevent contamination. Then, disconnect the electrical connector and the 2 fuel lines using specialized disconnect tools. With the lines disconnected, it's time to remove the old pump. You'll see a large plastic locking ring securing the pump to the fuel tank. Using a non-sparking brass punch and a hammer, gently tap the locking ring counterclockwise until it loosens and can be removed. Carefully lift the entire fuel pump assembly straight out of the tank. Be cautious not to damage the fuel level float arm during removal, as it is quite delicate. Now let's install your new fuel pump. Carefully lower the new pump assembly into the fuel tank, ensuring the new gasket is properly seated and the pump is correctly oriented. Place the locking ring over the pump and tap it clockwise with your brass punch and hammer until it is fully tightened and secure. Reconnect both fuel lines and the electrical connector. Finally, reconnect your battery. Prime the fuel system by cycling the ignition a few times, and thoroughly check for any fuel leaks before starting the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.